What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here. I'm going to be cleaning a driveway for you guys today. I've got everything set up, got my hose ran, got water coming in, feeding my tank. I've got all my chemicals set up. This is my solution with a bit of a detergent in there. For detergents, I know people ask me this stuff all the time. I'm using Red Crow. I think it's okay. I'm about getting to the bottom of this 5-gallon bucket. But let me know what you guys think of what you guys are using out there. Definitely needs to be pre-treated, and we'll see how it comes out. I might do a post-treatment on this afterwards. Sidewalks up here, definitely a little green. These sidewalks are feeling a little green, a little Grinchish. That's my setup. For you guys asking, I haven't pulled out my 200 feet of just garden hose for running water to my tank. I got a big ass 26-inch surface cleaner, all my window cleaning stuff. 55-gallon drums that I'm not using right now because I'm not that busy this week. I don't need to fill these up at all. So I'm just using 2.5 gallon from Pinch a Penny right now. But besides that, honestly, I'm excited to get started. It's my engine, 3,500 PSI, 5.5 gallons per minute. Pumping straight through, gonna downstream. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so a lot of you guys, my professional power washers out there that watch my channel, you know this is the most important step, is letting your detergent sit and soak in. Soaking into the driveway right now, killing off all the mold and mildew. I've done the sidewalks all the way around. I'm going to use my smaller surface cleaner for this because it's not as big of a job. My bigger 26-inch surface cleaner would just be a pain in the butt to get around all these corners and sidewalks and stuff. So I'm just going to use the smaller one. And knock this out. This is a 21-inch surface cleaner, Whirl Away, one of the best. I suggest it if you guys are looking for a surface cleaner. That's the way to go. Just put signs up on this. Got signs on the back. My brooms are kind of blocking it. Maybe not a good place for those brooms. And then I've got this sign on the side of the street. I got these. You know, take a card. If you see me driving around, parking somewhere, you can just take a card. Give me a call. Hanson's Handyman service. Shout out to my parents' business. Gas tank up here can hold about 5 gallons into my engine. Like I said before, this is a 5.5 gallon pump, 3,500 PSI. We're downstreaming our solution. I've got double downstream injectors. I don't see a lot of guys with this. It's my secret weapon. Hit me up in the comments if you want to know more about this part. You can see they're corroding a little bit. This is why you always got to rinse these out with water after you're done. Always run water through these because very well. And I gotta get those nozzles all the way to the bottom. But yeah, like I said, I would normally be using these 55-gallon drums, but I'm just not busy enough this week to justify filling them all the way up. So I'm just working at 2.5 gallons. And we're getting around ready to start cleaning here. Let's see. Sometimes the green will just melt away, and it's already melted away from these sidewalks. You got a little bit of mold still in here, but the green is just, you can't even notice it anymore. Just gone. So it's already doing part of the work for me. I just got to go back with a surface cleaner now, really clean these up. Hopefully I can keep the camera dry. Over here, And I think we're good to go. So I'm gonna set this camera up. We're gonna start in the sidewalks. Do the sidewalk up there, and then do the driveway coming down. A lot of people ask me questions about how I pressure wash and why I do the sidewalks first. I do the sidewalks so I can clean the sidewalks, push all the dirt onto here, clean that sidewalk, push the dirt onto here, clean that sidewalk, push it onto the driveway, clean the driveway, and just bring everything down to the rain gutter and push it off to the side. That's a big issue I'm having too. What do you guys do with the dirt from the driveways? Do you just let it sit at the bottom of the driveway? I never let it sit at the bottom of the driveway. But what are you guys doing with your dirt? Leave a comment, let me know. All right, so I just finished up here. I post-treated everything. You can see these sidewalks, look how good they look. Oh my gosh, so shiny. Up here, looks great. These are some darker spots. I don't know why it's showing like that. They're not really dark. Maybe there's oil in them at one point, but there's no mold or mildew there. They're just dark. Here you can look. Once they dry out, they'll dry up really white. Sidewalks, no more green. That's perfect. People might want to know what kind of solution am I using to pre-treat. I just cut my solution in half that I use for the driveway. So if you use a 40% detergent down on here. I mix it and I bring it down to like 20%. And I just spray it and let it sit, and it comes out great.